Hello students, this is Ram sir. Today we are going to start new point, property of corresponding angles. You have learned your previous lecture comparison of rational numbers. Okay. So you tell me what is meant by parallels? What is meant by parallel lines? Parallels means which line do not intersect each other. That's called is parallel lines. And what is meant by transversal? What is meant by transversal? So transversal means intersects parallel line, yeah, any lines. It is called as transversal. Okay. So let's learn property of corresponding angles. Property of corresponding angles. We learn chapter number 2, parallel lines. Chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. Okay. Today's our point is property of corresponding angles. So what is mean by corresponding angles? What is mean by corresponding angles? So each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines. Corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is congruent angles. Their transversal is congruent angles. Okay, that's called is corresponding angles. PQ and RS both are parallel lines. PQ and RS both are parallel lines. Okay, PQ and RS is two parallel lines. Okay, PQ and RS both are parallel line. Okay, then AN is a transversal of line PQ and RS. AN is a transversal and PQ and RS is both are parallel lines. Okay, then PQ parallel RS, we write it PQ parallel line RS. PQ parallel line RS. Okay, so first write down corresponding angles AMP. Okay, M and N is the corresponding angles formed by two parallel line. So first angle AMP congruent angles. The sign of congruence. Okay, so AMP congruent angles MNR. AMP, this is the first angles AMP. Okay, then seconds MNR. Okay, so AMP congruent angles MNR. Clear? Then second angles is PMN. Angle PMN congruent angles PMN. Okay, so RNB we include both angles M and angles N. First AMP include M, second MNR include N, and then next PMN, so RNB. Okay, RNB. This is the second corresponding angles. Okay, now third angle. This is first side of transversal. This is first side of transversal AMP. Now second side of transversal AMQ. Like this AMQ. Okay, so AMQ congruent angles. So first AMP congruent angles MNR. So now AMQ congruent angles NS, second side of transversal, MNS, angle MNS, clear? Then fourth, PMN, this is first side of transversal angle, so like this, QMN, okay, QMN, angle QMN, congruence angle SNB, so this is the corresponding angles, okay, this is the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles means formed by two parallel lines, first line PQ, second line RS. Now M and N is formed by two parallel lines, okay. So next, now our next point is property of alternate angles, okay. So two types of alternate angles, first is interior angles, second is exterior angles, okay. So first, what is meant by alternate angles? So alternates means each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines, and their transversal is of congruent angles. Transversal की congruent angles रहेंगे means equals रहेंगे. So first write down interior angles, alternate angles. So interior means this, interior angles. This is the interior angles, okay. This type means shape of Z, that's called is interior alternate angles, okay. So write down interior alternate angles. First, PMN, angle PMN, congruent angles MNS. So shape of Z means Z shape का रहता है वो इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स रहता है Z शेप का, ओके. सेकंड QMN, ओके, मीन्स दिस QMN एंड वो R की तरफ जाएगा, मीन्स एंगल्स QMN, congruent angles MNR. QMN, congruent angles MNR, ओके. Z शेप का PMN MNS, सेकंड QMN MNR, ओके. हाँ, नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स मीन्स बाहर का. अब एक्सटीरियर मीन्स लेट्स सी एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट्स एंगल, एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट्स एंगल्स, ओके. Exterior means this is first exterior and this, okay. ये भी, ये A सब बाहर का, ओके. सो फर्स्ट AMP, इसका अपोजिट SNB, एंगल SNB. नेक्स्ट AMQ, उसका अपोजिट RNB, AMQ RNB, एंगल RNB. This is the interior alternate angle, this is exterior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles means inner sides of transversal and parallel sides, okay. Exterior angles means this. So our next angles is property of interior angles. Okay, property of interior angle. So property of interior angles mean each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is supplementary angles. Their transversals means supplementary angles. Okay, so supplementary means 180 degree. So let's see, write down first property of interior angle. Interior angles is supplementary angles. Okay, so PMN, this is property of interior angles means interiors, this type, this is interiors. Okay, this is interiors or interiors 180 degree. Okay, so now measure of PMN, measure of angles PMN plus measure of angles MNR equal to 180 degree. Addition of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. Then second angle is QMN. Measure of angles QMN, small m denoted by measure. So measure of angles QMN plus measure of angles MNS equal to M plus N equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is the property of interior angles. Interior angles means transversal के both side, first side, second side. Okay, this is the interior angles and supplementary angles equal to 180 degree. Clear? Okay students, now today we are learn three type of angle. So first, corresponding angles, second, property of alternate angles, and then third, property of interior angles. Two types of alternate angles, first interior angle and second exterior angles. Okay students, now today we are learn three type of angles. First is corresponding angles, second is property of alternate angles, third is property of interior angles.